Copper coils in the chili plants. Will they work? Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Sunday to you all. Sunday 28th of June 2026. And it is day 133 of the chili grow up. Now as you can see, we've got some of these copper coils in the plants here. Read up about it online. Have I just wasted £18? Or are these actually going to make a difference for the chilies to grow? Time will tell. I want to see it to believe it, see the results myself, and you guys will see the results as well. So that's the plan. Not in every single plant, but as you can see, most of them. It's a copper wire coiled at the top, and that goes straight into the soil. Apparently works wonders for the plants. So we will find out. So what we're going to do today, I've got 5 grow bags with the soil in all ready to go. Let's get some of these potted plants that are long overdue for their grow bag. Let's get them inside, get them transplanted over and get them back out in the sun. Other than that, I hope you're doing well. Hope you're having an awesome weekend. Me and Lucy enjoying the sun, aren't you, girl? Makes you sleepy, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Let's get these transplants going. 5 grow bags. Let's start the day. Let's do this. An egg, madam. Okay, so we've got 5 grow bags ready to go. Let's get these plants out of their pots and into the grow bags. Here we've got an Armageddon. This was another one that was planted way too soon, but it's looking good now and probably ready for its bigger pot. Yep, sure is. Let me show you these roots. So many on the sides as well. Yeah. Let's get him into the bag. Drop him in. Fill the space. And there we have another super hot Armageddon in the 5-gallon grow bag. There's a Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Looking beautiful, nice and tall there. Let's flip him out. Oh wow. Couldn't be more root bound if it wanted to be. Very nice around the edges there and quite a lot going on the bottom. Just perfect. There we go. New permanent home for the Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Let's get some peppers on here and give them a try. Let's see what happens with our chili plant here. The Scotch Bonnet MOA. This was one of the first ones that I planted into a bigger pot. It was way too soon. It grew ever so short, but looking now, it's grown to a reasonable size, which probably means it's completely outgrown its pot. Yep, as predicted. So as you can see, these roots here are really starting to bound the plant. So let's get into this bigger pot right away, into the grow bag, get them sorted out. Just pop them in like so. Bring some soil around from the edges, press down, and it will get a little bit of food and water, but there we have Scotch Bonnet MOA in a 5-gallon. A Tabasco. Looking beautiful. Super tall look. Lots going on. Let's have a look at these roots. If it's anything like the other Tabasco, I'm sure, yep. Definitely ready for its transplant. So many roots, all on the sides as well. Let's fluff these all out. Get them all in there. Wonderful. Transplanted into its 5-gallon grow bag, the Tabasco. So yesterday we did one Habanero, and I said the other one was just as root bound, so it needs to go into a grow bag the day after. And as you can see here, definitely needs this upgrade, this transplant. All these roots are very tightly packed together there, look. very full. It's okay, we'll get him into the grow bag here, push him down and bring this soil in to fill the gaps. And there we have it, the second habanero in the 5-gallon grow bag. There we go, all transplanted. There are the 5 there. I've got 20 grow bags left over, and I think there's about 14 bits and bobs, so some of those merch masalas will go in as well. It's looking good though, isn't it? Looking great. Running out of space. We'll see what happens with these couple of wires. I do just want to show you this, look. It's the Buena Mulata, do you see that? Look at that pretty flower. Looks like there's lots of little buds starting to show as well. Just noticed that. And of course our cayenne over there, lots of flowers. Everything's looking great. I think it's going to get quite chaotic pretty soon once all these pods start appearing. Just got to find people willing to buy them, try them. Should be all fine, shouldn't it? Let's wrap the day up. I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday and a great weekend. Thank you all so much for joining us. You take care of yourselves, okay? Make sure you look after me, myself and I. Because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a wonderful weekend. See you tomorrow, okay? Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.